What's up guys, you know I have this new obsession reviewing very strange, weird silver coins, or like 1 ounce silver or half an ounce silver coins, so any kind. Honestly, could be up to 100 ounces or a kilo. So let's see what I got this time. This has been a lot of fun. This is the brand I got it from, MCM, I think, from eBay. So this thing is pretty unique. Let's zoom in on it. Boom. The blue spool. It's for the bass fishing, from what I understand. So let's unbox it. Check this out real quick. It says half an ounce, 995 silver, Cook Island, $2, 2020. Anyways, all that information over here, pretty beautiful. Let's look at actual coin. You guys gonna be very surprised what it is, and I bet all the people who love fishing will want one of these. You know, silver is not about just stacking silver. You can collect, gift some unique pieces like that. They're a lot more expensive than just stacking generic silver, but let me show you what this is. Okay, a lot of people already know. This is like a little fishing lure. Wow, that's a lot heavier and thicker than I thought. When I was buying it online, I really thought it's going to be very skinny piece. I should be wearing gloves because you don't want to scratch it up, because it has collectability value. And look at that, Julio T. Blue, legendary lure. You see, it says on the coin. And I guess that's a maker of this lure face, portrait, whatever. There's a big hook. The hook is steel hook, actually fishable, I'm pretty sure. This thing right here is also steel. The only silver is this. And what's insane, this is actual coin. Half an ounce AG.39. You see the top layer, it says over here. And then the bottom over here, Elizabeth II, $2, Cook Island, 2020. So you can go to Cook Island and actually spend it. Came in and pay for this thing as $2. So it's a legal tender, which is kind of fun. It's not just Buel made one, it's actual money right here. But also, those people who love fishing probably can put it on a fishing line and go fish with that. The only problem with that, if you're gonna lose this thing, you're gonna lose $100, because that's how much this thing go for. Straight up legit silver, pure silver, 999, half an ounce fishing hook right here. So if you wanna feel fancy, you can buy yourself pure silver fishing lure. Love that. So you know, silver is very shiny, and there you go. You probably have a lot more chances to catch and attract fish because it's silver. Anyways, going to wrap it up back into here, because I don't really have a good display for this item, and you don't want to scratch it up either, unless you're never going to sell it, because it will lose a lot of value, especially for the coins and stuff. Boom, we're gonna put it back away. This is definitely one of a kind fishing lure, and people who love fishing could be an amazing gift. So definitely keeping it for myself. Now it's gonna stay protected and keep its collectability and the value. There you go, another way to collect silver. If you don't care about stacking silver, there's still pieces you might love.